In today's video, we're gonna talk about a book which will help us to find the balance and purpose in our life. So the book is titled as Life's Amazing Secret. It is written by Gaur Gopal Das. So the best thing about this book is it is not only specific to a certain generation, means it can be read by a teenager and an old age person too. This book is divided into 20 chapters and it tells the various aspects of life. So according to Gaur Gopal Das, as a car has 4 wheels which needs to be balanced for a smooth trip, same thing applies in our lives. Means our life also consists of 4 wheels which needs to be balanced for leading into a happy life. So briefly describing about the wheels, the first wheel is about personal life. It tells how a person should have a positive state of mind and should be grateful to the things happening around him. The second wheel is about relationships, not only with our lover but with our parents, siblings and friends. The third wheel is about work life. It tells us how to balance our work life and to find various aspects between an employee and an employer. The fourth wheel is about social contribution. It tells how to selflessly contribute in the society as we contribute things in our family. As one of the main theme of the book is to find the purpose in our life. So according to author, a person can find a purpose in his life by answering 4 questions. The first question is, what do you love? Second, what are you good at? Third, what does the world need? And fourth, what can he get paid for? If you can answer these all 4 questions, you definitely have a purpose in your life. If you cannot answer these questions, you should definitely read this book to find the purpose in your life. So, as Gaur Gopal Das is a frequent traveler due to his talks and sessions in various countries, this book is also based on one of his travelings. Now coming to the key points, I'll give you 7 key points which will help you to find the content in this book. So the first key point is, a person should have a positive state of mind while dealing with problems, and he should not neglect the negative work. Rather, he should work upon it and focus on positive. And he should be grateful for whatever people do for him. So the second key point is, some things in our life are beyond our control. So rather than worrying on it, we should be working on it. And these things we see bad at one point of time can be the best thing that would happen to us. So the third key point is, we are not human beings with spiritual experience, but we are spiritual beings with human experience. So we should understand the connection between these two things. Our fourth key point is, we should be sensitive with our words and actions, and we should think before we say it to others, because it might feel good for you but it can harm other person. The fifth key point is, before correcting anyone, we should ask certain questions to ourselves, that am I the right person to correct the other person, or the situation is right to correct that person? And if answer to these questions are in positive, then you should head on to correct that person. Our sixth key point tells about forgiveness and certain principles to be followed, like looking beyond the situation, thinking for a higher purpose, and justice. Our last key point is about competition. So the competition should be healthy and it should be with ourselves, not with others, because you are the only one who can compete yourself. In this book, the author also has told about 3 principles which can help us to build our character. The first principle is Vichar, second Achar, and the third principle is Prachar. If we follow these 3 principles, we can have a good character in our life which will help us to find happiness, not only in materialistic things but in souls too. I hope you got a brief idea of this book. If you want to read this book, there's a link in description box. Do click on it for getting a full edition of this book. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to this channel.